In this meditation, we embrace the limitless abundance that resides within and all around us. Abundance is more than material wealth. It is the harmony of health, prosperity, and spiritual richness. It is a flow, ever present and accessible. As we journey inward, give yourself permission to let go of any resistance and allow this meditation to remind you of the fullness of life that is your birthright. Let's begin by taking a few deep breaths together. Find a position that feels comfortable. Close your eyes or gently look at the spirit fractal image. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale softly. With every breath, feel your body relaxing and softening. Now, imagine roots growing from the base of your spine and the soles of your feet, anchoring you to the nurturing energy of the earth. Visualize these roots reaching deep into the ground, absorbing strength, stability, and abundance from the earth's core. As you inhale, draw this grounding energy upward into your body, filling you with warmth and steadiness. As you exhale, release any tension, fear, or scarcity you may be holding. Feel yourself becoming more grounded and open, connected to the earth's infinite supply of nourishment and support. Bring your attention now to your heart center, the seat of your inner light. Imagine a golden glow beginning to form there. It is warm, radiant, and expanding with every breath. As this light grows, silently or softly, affirm these truths. I am open to the abundance that surrounds me. I trust in the universe's ability to meet all my needs. I am worthy of a life filled with prosperity, joy, and peace. Feel the energy of these affirmations expanding the golden light in your heart, sending its glow through your arms, chest, legs, and all the way to the tips of your fingers and toes. This light is your connection to abundance, a state of being that flows through you effortlessly. Let yourself feel its warmth and brilliance, knowing that this flow is always available to you. Now, Picture yourself standing in a serene sunlit field. Above you, a shimmering golden stream of light flows down from the universe, showering you with its infinite blessings. This light represents the boundless abundance of life, prosperity, health, love, and wisdom. As the light flows through the crown of your head, feel it filling you with joy, peace, and fulfillment. Before you, 3 golden bowls appear, each one glowing with energy. The first bowl symbolizes wealth. See it overflowing with golden coins, vibrant energy, or whatever prosperity looks like to you. The second bowl represents health. Picture it brimming with sparkling water, lush greenery, or the vitality of vibrant life force. The third bowl embodies spiritual abundance. It glows with radiant light, symbolizing wisdom, peace, and deep connection to the universe. Take a moment to focus on each bowl, giving thanks for the gifts it holds. Feel the deep gratitude within you, acknowledging that these blessings are already yours. Allow the golden light to keep flowing through you, filling you and these bowls with abundance beyond measure. Now gently bring your focus back to your heart center. The golden light here shines brighter than before, a reminder of the abundance you carry within you. It is always with you, always flowing, always guiding. Take a deep breath in, filling your heart with this light, and exhale slowly, radiating gratitude. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently reawakening your body. When you're ready, open your eyes if they were closed, bringing this energy of abundance with you into the rest of your day. Here are a few closing affirmations that you can repeat to yourself. Abundance is my natural state of being. I trust in the limitless flow of life's blessings. I am deeply grateful for all I have and all that is coming to me. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. May the abundance you have awakened within you continue to illuminate your path.